I'm guessing that the leak is somewhere in this area. You can see that there is a bit violet spot over here. It is wet and probably this is the cause of the leak, so I'm gonna try to figure something out. So guys, this is the cause of the problem and I'm gonna try to fix it because I can't wait. I wanna drive it some more, and this is gonna be probably some kind of temporary solution. I'm gonna try to come up with something and I'm gonna show you what I come up with. So I'm gonna try to stop this leak for now. So guys, this is what I've come up with. I've used this type of fast adhesive universal glue that I was able to get to harden very quick. This is the type. It activates with this spray type, so it doesn't matter. The important thing is that if we test it and this thing holds, that tomorrow we're gonna be able to properly test the car. The only thing that I'm gonna do now is to get this dirt out of the radiator and mount it back in and see if this thing leaks or not, and that is gonna be all for tonight. Tomorrow is gonna be the important day for testing, so I'm just gonna get it installed back in the car for now. Hey guys, so I have got to a dead end last night because I have found when I put the radiator it actually leaked quite a bit, so I disassembled it and I have found two more little pipes of these that were pierced, so I'm gonna have to try to fix them as well, and I'm gonna give it another go. So I'm going to start gluing them and see how it is gonna go from there. As you can see, it's not a big deal. It is just a small piece of the radiator and it is gonna be fine for now, just to properly test this car. So fingers crossed everything is gonna go according to plan this time, so let's try again.